The third edition of the India Energy Week was underway in the national capital today. Dignitaries and participants from across the globe have enlisted participation in the summit of this global forum on energy. Here's all that you need to know in this report.
The India Energy Week got underway in the national capital today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually addressed the opening of the Global Energy Summit.
इंडिया एनर्जी वीक में देश और दुनिया भर से यहां यशोभूमि में जुटे सभी साथियों को नमस्कार। आप सभी सिर्फ एनर्जी वीक का हिस्सा भर नहीं है, आप भारत की एनर्जी एम्बिशंस का महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है।
In his keynote address, Prime Minister Modi said that India is the only country to have met all the goals set at the Paris G20 agreement.
हमारे पास 500 मिलियन मैट्रिक टन्स का सस्टेनेबल फीडस्टॉक है। इंडिया की G20 प्रेसिडेंसी के दौरान ग्लोबल बायोफ्यूल्स अलायंस बना और लगातार एक्सपांड हो रहा है। इससे 28 नेशंस और 12 इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जुड़ चुके हैं।
The PM also shared the country's roadmap on the energy front over the next 5 years.
भारत की एनर्जी एम्बिशंस 5 पिलर्स पर खड़ी है। हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज हैं जिनको हम हार्नेस कर रहे हैं। दूसरा, हम अपने ब्रिलियंट माइंड्स को इनोवेट करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित कर रहे हैं।
The third edition of the India Energy Week would feature delegates from across the world.
It's a place where a lot of what's happening in the world can also be discussed. And I think that's what makes it special. But more than that, I wanted to tell you that I am particularly keen that this message reaches out wide. It goes to our students. We have a lot of emphasis on students from the technical institutes, IITs coming. It reaches the younger minds.
Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri also said that more than 500 entrepreneurs would pit themselves in the startup challenges at the event.
More than 500 entrepreneurs are participating in startup challenges like Avinya and Vasudha, thus nurturing the next generation of energy disruptors.
Delegations from the United Kingdom, Norway, Middle East, Qatar have enlisted participation at the global event. The world's second largest energy event is set to conclude on February 14th.